Hi, I'm Matt. I'm the CEO of nextINTERACT. I'm here to talk to you today about nextINTERACT, the world's leading selling and marketing platform. Research shows that interactivity and visual engagements are many times more memorable than verbal and written ones. So when Apple released the iPad, they revolutionized marketing and communication because they created interactivity with the mobile device that was impactful. We recognized this and followed their philosophies of beautiful simplicity. And we designed nextINTERACT as the platform to achieve the very best magical engagement between two people. Let me tell you a bit about the platform. At its core, there's a completely scalable library, a content management system that houses all of your collateral. Could be a brochure, clinical paper, video, educational piece, instructions, whatever. You can create folders, reference libraries, colors, different icons to create organization. You can have searchable reference libraries to house a multitude of support documentation. You can use a resource library to house your videos. With all of this content, you can determine which team sees what, and you can determine what folders and collateral will magically appear on the iPad. Then, in the field, you have this intuitively easy to use interface that reps can use. It's brandable, and the reps will be able to download and have available whatever collateral marketing has determined they should receive. The reps have their predetermined structure laid out for them. However, they can create their own personal folders and simply customize things to their particular needs. Before I get into the final feature, it's important just to touch upon the healthcare space. We understand healthcare. There are lots of different products, new blockbuster drugs, prescribed medications, generic drugs, devices, equipment, OTC, consumables. There are lots of different people you are trying to communicate with: GPs, specialist doctors, nurses, pharmacists, and much more. Your purpose can vary. It's a new drug release. You're trying to refresh a sales call, conveying a message, education on a system, highlighting a feature, explaining how something works. The final feature I'm going to point out are the smarts of the platform that allow it to accept almost any kind of file type, which means, as you'll see in a minute, that no matter what your need, budget, or purpose, the nextINTERACT makes more memorable that engagement between two people. It's probably best done by showing you some examples. You may have a new product release and you want to do something that is magical and inspiring. You may have a drug that's been around for years and you want to convey a message or freshen a call. You may want to use one of our 3D anatomical images to stimulate and gain interest. Maybe explain to nurses or pharmacists how something works. You may want to bring to life something as a key point in a clinical paper. You may want to engage a customer at a trade display by using our platform to create games, quizzes, forms, augmented reality. All of these are possible. I could go on. There are literally thousands of examples that our very smart customers have produced to improve their own important engagements. But you may be surprised to know that over 90% of the content our customers have created use file types that can be inexpensively produced by a graphic designer. Digital marketing is both cost-effective and inspirational. Inspired by Apple, our mission was to provide the most memorable engagement between two people, and in doing so, prove an inspiring, smart solution to whatever your business needs.